So this poor little barn is completely falling apart. Unfortunately, it's beyond saving. And so we have been salvaging it, and we have plans for its wood and components. So here's some of the lumber coming off. It's a beautiful barn. If only it had a roof many, many years ago, could have been saved. This tool is a nail puller. It grabs the nail and you can get it out. Do that when it's in there really deep. I'll just grab it. Look at that. And very little damage. It's awesome. So we have some projects for this wood. So looking forward to being able to save it in the way that we're able to. Reclaimed. This is Farmer Always. Thanks for watching.